Welcome back to another installment of Interior Grind, where we're grinding for good design. Here we are at a David Weekley townhome, somewhere off of I-10 in Houston. It says Central Living, but let me just tell you, this is not central to the city. This is really on the outskirts of the city, but let's just walk on in because maybe you're interested in living on the outskirts of the city. So let's walk on in. So as soon as you open the door, you're hit with sort of an office space. It could be a living space, it's whatever you choose, but they stage it as an office. So we're gonna rock with that. And then off the office, there's a bathroom with tile that's in the shape of a cross. I will not lose my religion in this house. And then there's a bedroom. It's nicely staged, I think. It's very simple. They put a little hat for a little, a little special something. Then they have a little mudroom area, for dropping off your bag. Oh, hey. So let's just go on up to the rest of the house. Let's go up those stairs. Oh, the first stairs is a closet. A little bit of dead space, but hey, we'll roll. And as we walk up the steps, you can get a view of the subdivision. But let's just go on up. Now we're on the main level where you're instantly hit with the powder room, because if you have to use the restroom, where you gonna go? The powder room. That's where it's nicely done. And it's a wide open concept like every other house, which I appreciate. I like wide open concepts, and it gets a lot of light. And shiplap wall. Everybody's doing these accent walls, but they're on trend right now. And this house is very much so on trend. Like, I appreciate what they did with this backsplash. It's not your traditional subway tile. It has some dimension, some shape. So, get a look. You know what I noticed about David Weekley? They love rust and orange and blue together. They always do. But something odd is the primary bedroom is right off the kitchen. That's kind of weird to me. I don't know how I feel about that. But, they did what they had to do. And so we're greeted with hexagon flooring on the floor, which is cool, but not in the shower. It's not giving what it's supposed to give, or as the people say, gave. Yeah, and then, there's a closet. They put some clothes in the closet. Ooh, I want that shirt. Ooh, I want that shirt. No, I don't. So as we move on out of the primary master / owner suite, we're going to go on up to yet another level. This is a 3-level home. So let's see what the 3rd level is given, shall we? We're gonna make our way on up, but first let's take another look out. Oh my God. Another living space. A space dedicated for living. And then they have a little small office area. This is sort of a loft living space with, yet again, more blue. More tealish blue. That's not teal. I don't know what color that is. But yet there's another bathroom and a bedroom dedicated to a boy. Why? Because of sports. That's why boys love sports. But I don't love that tile. That tile is not doing it for me. But this house is giving a little something. I think that's just electrical. Yep, it's electrical. Let's move on out and down the stairs. Let's ease on down the stairs. Ease on down the stairs. And they have the modern art, which I appreciate. I guess it's cool. It's whatever. It's giving. Let's give it another look at the whole house. Oh yeah. David Weekley, I think I'm somewhat impressed with this townhome. I know you say it's a single family home, but like and subscribe. We out.